Hi all, today we are going to discuss about fundamentals of programming. We start from the very beginning, the scratch of programming. So let us see what are these fundamentals of programming. So generally, when you talk about Java, many people say that Java is a programming language, or we can say Java is a language. Today in this video, I am going to talk about what is a language and what are the different types of languages. So let us talk about that. So before going to start discussing about Java, I would like to talk about what is a language and what are different types of languages. Language. So when you talk about language, there are so many softwares in the market. Number of softwares are there in the market, isn't it or not? Maybe we can say few examples are operating system, like media players, okay, and so many what not. We have thousands and lakhs of softwares available in the market. Now the question is, how do we develop all these softwares? That is the question. So we develop any software by using a language. So what is a language? A language is a vehicle for developing is a vehicle for developing a software. So that is simple idea about a language. It means if you want to develop any software, then we need a language. So that is basic idea about what is a language. So what is a language? A language is used for developing a software. Next thing, types of languages. Generally in programming, we have three types of languages. One is a high level language, and second one is a machine language, or you can say machine or low level language. And third one, we call it as a assembly language. In this way, we have three types of languages. So now the question is, what is high level, what is machine, and what is a assembly? First one, high level is a user understandable or English like language. So what is high level? It is a user understandable or English like language. For example, all these programming languages are high level languages: C, C++, Java, C Sharp, etc. All these are high level languages. So etc. So this is simple idea about high level. User understandable or English like language is called high level. For example, C, C++, Java, C Sharp, etc. Next one, machine language. What is a machine language? A machine language is a system understandable language. What is a machine language? It is a system understandable or understandable or otherwise machine understandable, or you can say machine understandable. System understandable or machine understandable language is machine language. And your machine can understand only zeros and ones. So what is that language? So machine can understand zeros and ones, and that zeros and ones we call it as a binary language. What do you call zeros and ones? We call binary. So this is idea about a machine. Next one, we have to talk about assembly. What is an assembly language? An assembly is a kind of high level language, and which consists of mnemonics. It consists of mnemonics, and these mnemonics helps you to develop assembly languages. Mnemonics. Maybe you can say mnemonic as a word or a token. So what is a mnemonic means? It can be a word or a token. Assembly language is nothing but collection. It provides mnemonics to develop assembly language code. And mnemonic can be a word or token. For example, the mnemonics provided ALP are add, div, sub, mul. All these are mnemonics. So what is assembly language? It is a language of some mnemonics which provides certain tokens like add, div, sub, and mul. All these things. I think this is clear for all of you. So, and this kind of mnemonics are provided by assembly language to construct a programming or to develop a programming, and that is assembly. Assembly is a language of mnemonics. And anyhow, Our focus is on high level language, that too on Java. This is only just an introduction to the language and types of languages. I hope this is clear. So what is a language? It is a vehicle for developing software. Now let us quickly summarize few questions. In this video we had discussed about, I think you can answer all these questions. What is that? What is a language? And you can answer what is high level. Also you can answer what is a machine language, and also what is that? You can answer what is assembly. So from this video I hope that you can answer all these questions. So in the next video we are going to discuss about translators. So now we understand about language and types of languages. In the next video let us focus on translators and types of translators. Then we'll discuss more about it in each video. We'll keep discussing about the basics or fundamentals of programming. Okay, I hope this is clear for all of you. Thank you for watching this video. This is Manohar, right?